Have you ever wondered how your phone connects to the internet without Wi-Fi? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of cellular data. Welcome back to our channel. If you love deep dives into tech and how-to guides, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Cellular data is the invisible backbone of modern mobile communication, enabling everything from sending a text to streaming high-definition video on the go. Cellular data is the digital information transmitted over mobile phone networks, distinct from Wi-Fi. It's crucial because it provides connectivity almost anywhere, freeing us from fixed network hotspots. The cellular network involves three main components: your mobile device, the nearby cell towers, and the core network backbone that links everything to the wider internet. At the heart of cellular connectivity are the cell towers, or base transceiver stations, which form the physical connection points for your device. A vast geographical area is divided into smaller segments known as, quote, cells. Each cell is served by a specific cell tower, ensuring continuous and localized coverage across the landscape. The cell tower acts as a repeater, converting the radio frequency signals from your phone into digital data that can be routed to the core network, and vice versa. When you move from one cell's coverage area to another, your network performs a handover, seamlessly switching your connection to the next tower without dropping your data or call. Now, let's look at your mobile device and how it initiates and maintains this crucial cellular connection. Your phone constantly scans for the strongest signal and registers with the nearest available cell tower. This establishes the initial wireless link for data transfer. The SIM card is vital, holding your unique subscriber information. It identifies you to the network, confirming your service plan and authorizing your access to cellular data. All communication between your phone and the tower happens over radio frequencies. This is how digital data, like websites and videos, is modulated into electromagnetic waves and back again. Once the data reaches the cell tower, it needs to be processed and directed to its final destination through the network's core, known as the backbone. The data travels from the cell tower via high-capacity fiber optic cables or microwave links to the mobile switching center or serving GPRS support node, which manages authentication and data routing. Finally, the core network directs the processed data through a gateway GPRS support node, which acts as the gateway to the public internet, completing the connection to the websites and services you use. Cellular technology is constantly evolving, leading to different generations of data standards that offer improvements in speed and efficiency. 4G, or LTE, was a major leap, providing the necessary speeds for modern smartphone use. Now 5G is revolutionizing connectivity again. 5G uses different spectrum bands to deliver extremely fast data speeds and drastically reduced latency, paving the way for applications like autonomous vehicles and advanced IoT devices. So that's the detailed journey of cellular data, from your device all the way to the internet and back again. In summary, data flows from your SIM-identified phone via radio waves to the cell tower, which sends it through the network backbone to the internet, creating our seamless mobile experience. This complex, interconnected system ensures that wherever you are, you remain connected to the digital world. It is truly a marvel of modern engineering. If you found this detailed explanation helpful, please like this video, share it with others, and subscribe for more deep dives into how technology works.